channel. My name's Emma.
And my name is Charlie.
And we're going to be doing Google Picks our Mystery Slime Bag Challenge.
How this challenge works is
we're going to ask Google, pick a number 1 or 2. And whichever one she picks, we get that number that's on the bag. So first we're going to ask Google which bowl we get. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
1.
So I get this bowl and round number 1. Okay, now we're going to ask Google. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
So this 2. I get 2 and you get 1. Let's see what we get. Yay! I got 2 clear glues. What'd you get? Now let's pour it in the bowl. Okay. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Okay. So you get 2 and I get 1. Okay. Let's see what's in it. I got activator. How do you say activator? What'd you get? Oh, you got beads? I got activators. I'm only gonna put in a little bit for now. Oh. Okay, now pour them in. You can add all of them or no?
all of them.
Am I gonna add a little bit? Add a little bit. Add a little bit. Round number 3. Okay, let's ask Google. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2. Hey Google. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
1.
Okay. So I get this and you get 2. Right here. I get this one. Oh, look what I got! Acto-facial. I got some glass beads and pearls. Okay, I don't want to that are purples and silver. Okay, let's open this. Okay, I'm only adding those ones. I got round number 4.
It's fine, go.
Okay, pick a number. Ask him. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Which one's 2? This is 1. So you get 2 and I get 1 since you asked. Oh, I got more beads. Ooh. So I got these beads that have blue, pink, yellow, green, and purple. Ooh. Round number 5. Okay, am I asking or you? You. Okay. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
1.
Okay. 2. I get 1, you get 2. You got a good one. Look at that. Don't be luckily. What are these? I got pom-poms. Oh, darn.
I promise I won't make them. We always make that. We always make them silly.
I had it all.
I like silver and gold.
Okay, I'll ask. Hey Google, pick a number 1 or 2.
2.
Okay. So I get 1 and you can get 2. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. I got the coconuts.
I got
Shaving
maple.
cream. Huh?
Here, I'll put it. There's enough. That's enough. I was smelling. Wait, I was smelling.
It's the final round. Woohoo!
I'm so happy that I got chalk. I'm going so fast. Oh my god, that's chalky. Or can you just like...
So we found this chalk burst at our Dollar Tree today, and we thought it was really cool, so we got it. So let's put it in. Guys, now we're ready to stir.
Oh, it's turning out pretty good. So our slimes came out pretty good. Mine is kind of all goopy, just a little. Emma's turned out a little bit well.
Yeah. It's purple.
Mine
It didn't turn
are-
out that much blue.
Mine's like a dark purple.
So my slime turned out okay. At first it was really bad, but then it turned out it's okay. It's kind of sticky and it's kind of hard to stretch a little.
Bye.
Bye guys! Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and share, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.